What is going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel Epic Design DIY. We're going to build this today using a piece of wood, a hammer, and a few nails. It's a nice, easy, fun project, so let's get busy. No special tools required for this build. Hammer, pencil, straight edge or ruler, LED fairy lights, and having a drawing beforehand would also help, and of course some nails. Mission number 1 is to draft up a sketch. I took my sweet time with this because I figured if it looked great in pencil, it's gonna look epic in lights. Next, I place some nails at the mountain peaks and the valleys, followed by the borders. If you're not that good with a hammer and a nail, trust me, by the time you get to this point, you'll be a pro. And now for the star of the show, LED copper lights. These come in different lengths. I'm gonna place links in the description down below. These LEDs are great. It comes with a mini controller that offers 10 different lighting modes. Is my favorite part of the project, which is wrapping the lights from left to right all the way to the top, trying my very best to keep the gaps as close as possible. Believe it or not, I had to do this 4 times before I actually got it up to the Epic Design standards. My last step for the wiring was to make sure and run over the edges with the final run so you can really define the shape of the mountain peaks. By the way guys, if you're enjoying the video so far and you want to be part of the Epic Design DIY movement, don't be shy, show the channel some love, hit that subscribe button down below, leave a like and a comment, let me know what you guys think of the video, and also anything that you may want to see in the future. Peace. I decided to add some black paint and a little bit of sprinkles, and it really took this thing to another level. For a finished look, I added some molding around the edges, and at this point it's really starting to gain some attention.